Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can earn $300 plus every hour just by reading. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. Now guys, all you need is a computer or even your phone and an internet connection. That's it guys. Free to start. Don't need any money. And please guys, watch this video all the way to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website, and the name of the website is Voices. So this is the website that you're going to use to get paid to read. So we're going to go ahead and learn a little bit about this website, and then I'm going to log into my account and show you how you're going to get paid with this website. So this is the world's #1 marketplace for voiceover. Sign up in seconds, post your job for free, access the world's best professional voice actors. So people come here to look for voiceovers. And that's what you're going to be. You're going to be a voiceover. Now, it's trusted by these brands: Spotify, Microsoft, Discovery, LA Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, and Yahoo. And as you can see, this is how it works. You post a job, and then they get responses. And then they hire and pay the talent. So you're going to be the talent, guys. So when you come to this website, what you're going to do is click on sign up. And you're going to click where it says find work as talent. And you're going to put your name, email, and password and click submit. And then it's going to ask you for your address. And then that's it. You're ready to go. Your account is ready. Now what I'm going to do is log into my account and show you a little bit more about this website and how you get paid. So let me go ahead and log in now. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. So when you get in here, you have to make a profile. You can review the jobs right here. And you can add a demo. Now let's click right here. And as you can see here are the jobs that's popping up right now. As you can see, this one right here is paying $250 to $499. This one $450. This one $250 to $499. This one $100. This one $275. This one $500. So guys, you're going to want to go ahead and apply for all of these, because when you apply for all of these, that gives you a better chance of getting hired and making this money, guys. Okay, so I'm on the page where they have all the different categories. So they got audiobooks, animation, business, documentaries, educational, internet video, movie trailers, podcasts and radio, television, telephone, video games, and voice assistant. Now, to get hired real quick, you want to go ahead and do audiobooks. So you click here, And as you can see here, these are people that put samples of them just reading something. So that's what you're going to want to do. You want to put samples of yourself reading something. And all you got to do is just listen to one of these and just kind of copy what they're saying. And then when you go back to jobs, go ahead and just, like I said before, apply for all the ones that say hiring. Go ahead and apply for them. And I'm telling you, you're going to get jobs real quick. And all you got to do is just start reading and start getting paid. Okay guys, so that's basically it. So go ahead and get started with this. Start making this money just reading. Go ahead and go to voices.com. Alright, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to this point. Let me go ahead and tell you about my special bonus. All you got to do guys is type this word that's going to pop up on the screen right now. It's going to help you increase your chances on winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers, which is coming soon. It's coming soon guys, so please type that down in the comments below. And if you're new and you have not clicked on that link to become eligible, go click on that link right now guys, so you can be eligible to win this free money. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks again. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's keep running it up. Run up them numbers. Let's keep going to the top guys. This is the latest YouTube channel, and we're here to grow and grow to the top. All right, that's it. Thank you again. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.